sculpted by over 7 million years of evolution. The brain is undoubtedly mankind's greatest asset. Thanks to the brain, humans have become the dominant species on the planet in just a few thousand years, and we have unlocked the deepest mysteries of our universe. Despite this, one question remains elusive. How exactly does the brain work? Reverse engineering the brain refers to the process of studying and modeling the brain in order to inform the development of new technologies and therapies. If the neural circuits of the brain were fully charted and understood, the repercussions would be enormous both from an engineering and a medical perspective. Reverse engineering the brain could allow for the creation of AI proficiency in a far broader range of tasks than simply image recognition or chess playing. A more accurate understanding of the brain could also allow researchers to create robust simulations of how the brain would respond to new drugs and treatment methods. Eventually, reverse engineering methods could even be used to create computer chips that emulate or correct brain activity in the mentally ill or in patients with neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Although these projects may sound like science fiction, many of them are underway today. Already, neural-inspired computational approaches have enhanced AI algorithms devoted to speech recognition and computer vision. On the medical side of things, brain implants have been developed in order to help deaf patients hear, and researchers at MIT have found a way to switch on and off the neural pathways of math through the usage of light. In spite of these developments, we still have a long way to go before we fully understand the working of the brain. The difficulty lies in the sheer complexity of this task at hand. With over 100 billion neurons and 100 trillion synapses, the brain is vast. Furthermore, each neuron associates with tens of thousands of others, making it challenging to map out the path of even a single signal. In order to surmount these challenges, experts from 3 different fields will have to work together: neuroscientists, computer engineers, and biomedical engineers. The role of neuroscientists is obvious, because without an understanding of how the brain works on a biological and/or chemical level, attempts at gaining deeper understanding of how the brain works will be futile. Furthermore, the process of studying the brain will make use of techniques such as magnetic resonance imaging that are already commonly used in neuroscience. One level deeper, computer engineers will be required to understand how the brain works as a computational machine. Computer engineers will be required to rationalize the vast amounts of data associated with modeling the brain, and they will also develop circuitry that will either augment or emulate brain activity. Finally, once the working of the brain have been dissected, it will be up to biomedical engineers to apply this newfound understanding to create devices with the goal of aiding patients with neurological, sensory, or various motor disorders. In conclusion, reverse engineering the brain is an exciting frontier at the intersection of engineering and neuroscience. With the collaboration of specialists from a wide variety of disciplines, there will hopefully come a time when mankind will understand its greatest tool, the brain.